Printify is a robust print-on-demand platform designed for entrepreneurs, artists, and businesses looking to create and sell custom products without the hassles of inventory management and order fulfillment. By leveraging a network of print providers, Printify offers a streamlined process for designing, producing, and shipping custom merchandise. How Printify works: design and product selection. Users create custom designs using Printify's design tools or upload their own designs. These designs can be applied to a wide range of products, including apparel, accessories, home decor, and more. Integration: Printify integrates with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, eBay, and more, allowing seamless product listing and sales management. Order fulfillment: when a customer places an order, Printify automatically forwards it to one of its print providers based on factors like location, cost, and shipping times. The print provider produces the item and ships it directly to the customer. Earnings: users earn the difference between the retail price they set for their products and the base cost of production and fulfillment charged by Printify. Pricing plans: Printify offers two main pricing plans to cater to different business needs. Free plan, cost $0 per month, features access to a wide range of products and print providers. Integration with major e-commerce platforms, unlimited product designs and orders, use of the mockup generator for product images, standard support for all users. Premium plan, cost $29 per month, or $24.99 per month if billed annually. Features: all features available in the free plan, up to 20% discount on all products, enhancing profit margins, priority customer support for faster resolution of issues, ability to connect up to 10 stores to a single Printify account, ideal for larger businesses or those managing multiple brands. Product and fulfillment pricing: product costs vary depending on the type of product and the print provider selected. For example, basic t-shirts might start at around $7 per unit, mugs might start at around $4 per unit, hoodies could start at around $15 per unit. Shipping costs depend on the product, destination, and print provider. Printify offers a shipping calculator to estimate costs before listing products. Key features: wide product range. Printify offers thousands of products across various categories. Global print network. With print providers located worldwide, users can select providers based on proximity to customers, reducing shipping times and costs. Mockup generator helps create high-quality images for product listings. Automated fulfillment ensures a seamless process from order placement to delivery. No inventory needed. Printify handles production and shipping, eliminating the need for users to maintain inventory. Benefits and considerations: benefits: low startup costs, no need to invest in inventory or production equipment. Scalability: easily handle growing order volumes without additional overhead. Focus on creativity: users can concentrate on designing and marketing their products. Considerations: quality control, variable quality depending on the print provider. Shipping variability: shipping times and costs can vary. Impacting customer satisfaction: profit margins, dependent on the pricing strategy and plan chosen. Free versus premium. Go to Printify today and get your free trial. The link for Printify is in the description of this video. Printify is a valuable platform for anyone looking to enter the custom merchandise market with minimal upfront investment and operational complexity. By leveraging Printify's comprehensive services, users can focus on creating and selling unique products while the platform handles production and fulfillment. Thank you for visiting our video. Have a wonderful day.